Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. In this video, I'm continuing to build the Terminator T-800 from Agora Models. I am on issue number 3, stage 23. If you haven't done so already, head over to Agora Models and subscribe to this build today. It's fantastic and you won't regret it. While you're over there, pre-order the 1-200 Bismarck kit that they're now offering to US subscribers. So let's get started on stage 23.
Phased plasma rifle in 40-watt range. Uzi 9mm. I'll be back.
Welcome back. Let's look at the instructions for stage 23. So here's our parts listed for stage 23. Looks like we assemble the right shoulder joint, and we just have a couple parts issued with this. And we'll look at the steps here involved. Looks like we use that joint from stage 22 in this build. And we have a total of 5 steps to do here, all completed here on the lower right. So let me get the parts out and I'll be right back. Here's the parts for stage 23 inside of the blister pack here. Definitely is metal as it has some weight to it. And I'll pull these out. We will get a closer look at all the parts. Here's a close-up of the parts. We received the right shoulder joints, 2 parts, an inner side and an outer side. We received 3 PM 3x6mm screws, and one of those is a spare. We'll put it aside. So let's get started. Step 1, we need to gather a couple of parts from previous stages, and we will need the right shoulder assembly from stage 21. That's this right here. We had it put aside, and we also need the other part of the shoulder assembly from stage 22. So for step 2, we're going to insert the inner shoulder joint into the shoulder, and they want to make sure it's oriented correctly. So you want to take your part here and make sure you have your screw holes situated just like that, and you want to make sure the raised section internally here are vertical. So it's going to go straight down. Just like that. So you want to make sure that the raised section of these holes internally are vertical to the way this is situated, just like that. Next we flip this over. We'll bring in our shoulder part from stage 21. And it's simply going to go line up. We have some alignment tabs there, the smaller ones, right there. They're going to line up to that, just like that. And we will put our 2 PM screws, the 3x6mm screws in. And the screw holes are threaded, which makes it nice. And they just go in just like that. Here's one, and we'll put the last one in. You can probably just see the threads there. They go in just very nicely. There you have it. And there we go. Situated just like that. And that's all we do for stage 23. It was fun assembling this. Not much to assemble here, but it was a lot of fun, and make sure you pay attention to the instructions carefully. So with that, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for all notifications. Head over to Agora Models and subscribe to this kit today. You will not regret it. It's a fantastic kit. It's huge, very tall, and it'd be a great conversation piece to any of your friends who come over and say, what the heck is that? So with that, happy modeling everybody, and take care.